Hello friends and welcome to Project Antonio. Today I'm going to be reviewing one of the most amazing apps out there to help you with your study, and it is called Notebook LM. I think you will really enjoy this app, not only for studying but also to try and have fun with it. Alright, let's begin. Alright, as you see, I am on the homepage of Notebook LM, and here you see all of these featured notebooks. These are just a way to show you how to use this Notebook LM app, but also to show you all of the benefits that you can get out of this. Now, I'm not going to show you this. I'm just going to show you my notebook that I've created and how I use my own notebooks. So if I go back home, if I click here, my notebooks, it will show all of my notebooks in this area. Now, this is the notebook I'm going to go off of with. You see three boxes when you click on one of your notebooks: sources box, chat box, and studio box. And up here, you see the title. You can rename it whatever you want. You could rename it or add whatever you want. In the sources box here, you see add or discover. Discover lets you see what you're interested in. So for example, if you describe something you like, then you could say, like it says here, I'm feeling curious to explore whatever topic. It will find it for you and it will add another source. We're not gonna do that. We're just gonna go to the source I've already added. When you click add a source, you can see all of these options: upload sources, Google Docs, Google Slides, because it is connected to your Google. Also, you can give links from YouTube or even a website. If you submit a link to a website, this can summarize a whole website and create a podcast based on that. Right here, this is the one I used already. Copied text. I copied the text from the textbook and I pasted it into this program here. And as you see, when I click pasted text, I can see summary as a source guide here with key topics and all of the text that I've pasted. We can collapse it if we want to, and also we can collapse this whole box if we want to as well by clicking this here, and that way it makes it other boxes bigger. Now, we're not gonna show you sources box anymore since I'm done showing it to you. I'm gonna jump into this chat box here. As you see, it shows the title of whatever you named it, and then it shows the summary of your source. Here you can see this option here, save to note, and when you save to note, it shows your saved summary here, and it shows up in the studio. Now, studio box is where all of your information is. Whatever information or audio you process, it's gonna pop up in that right box in studio box. And then here we can click audio overview to create a podcast, which I'll show you later, and a mind map. Now, I've already created all of these options and I'm gonna show you them here. Mind map is one of my favorite things I've ever used in this app, because it creates a mind map based on your sources that you provided. It creates a mind map, and watch this. When I click on it, and if you click on arrows, it expands with more information. It is pretty amazing how it breaks down all of the information that you have provided in this app. You can also zoom in, and you have an option to download your mind map. Alright, let's close that. Another beautiful function up here is called reports. If you click reports, you have all of these options. You can create a briefing doc or study guide or FAQ or timeline. Now, all of these are created right here. I don't have to show you because it's pretty self-explanatory. If you click, for example, FAQ, obviously it's going to create frequently asked questions. My favorite thing to use here is called audio overview. I don't call it that because it sounds like a podcast, so I just call it a podcast. If you have created a source here and you want it to create an audio overview, like an audio summary, you can create this option here. If you click on it, it will generate a podcast with two people talking to each other. And what's crazy is that they sound so real and you just want to listen to them. Now listen to this.
Welcome to another deep dive. So today we're plunging into, well, really one of the most explosive and transformative periods in global history. We're talking about the years right after World War II, kicking off in 1945 and stretching into the 1960s. And this wasn't just a recovery period, it was complete reshaping of the international balance of power.
How amazing is that? It's just a fun way to summarize your source, whatever you've used, so it can help you study. Now it's called a notebook for a reason. This is why you have this option here, add note. You can make your own notes here. And when you click add note in the studio box here, you can make your own notes and edit it whatever way you want to, which is amazing too. Alright, these are all the features that are available in Notebook LM, and I'm sure they will come up with way more features. And this is just a fun way to study, but also to explore this new world of AI. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to put a like, that way more people see this video and more people can take advantage of this app. Because guess what? This app is $0, completely free and available for everybody to use, which is amazing. Alright, see you in the next video.